Hi friends, welcome back to Orbital Adventures, where science turns into stories you can feel and remember. Stay with us. Today we're diving into a study that shows what really happens when smoking and drinking team up inside your body. We all know smoking and alcohol aren't exactly healthy. But when it comes to cancer, especially in places like your mouth, throat, and liver, the story gets a lot more intense. Scientists have found something fascinating and scary. When alcohol and tobacco are used together, their effects don't just add up, they multiply. That means your risk of certain cancers, like those in your mouth, throat, and voice box, goes way up. Why? Well, think about it. Alcohol makes it easier for harmful chemicals from tobacco to get into your cells. And both substances hit the exact same tissues, like your throat and the inside of your mouth, again and again. That double punch causes real damage over time. For example, in parts of your mouth that are directly exposed, like where alcohol sits or smoke touches, cancer is more likely to form. It's like burning the same spot on a map over and over. Now, when it comes to liver cancer, the pattern's a bit different. Smoking and drinking are both risky, but they act independently. So even if you only drink or only smoke, you're still putting your liver at risk. Bottom line, the combo of smoking and drinking doesn't just double trouble. It's more like lighting a match and pouring gasoline. Want the full story? It's all in the original article. Check out the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Stay curious and see you next time.